It's time to ditch your old windows for energy-efficient models. Who knew? Your windows can actually affect the temperature and efficiency of your home. Let's talk about it. Hello everybody and welcome to Energy Advantage. So today, we're going to talk about windows and the importance of getting energy efficient windows. So let's begin. Number one, they can actually reduce your energy bill. So one of the primary benefits of having energy efficient windows is that they can actually reduce your electric bill. In the summer, it will keep your house cooler by blocking out the sun's rays. And in winter, they will keep your house warmer by trapping the heat inside your home. Number two, improved comfort. Energy efficient windows can actually improve comfort by reducing drafts and eliminating hot and cold spots in your home. It will simply keep your home at a more even temperature. And of course, this will reduce stress and keep a more comfortable environment. Number three, enhance home value. By having energy efficient windows, they actually increase the value of your home. If you're planning to sell your home, then obviously having energy efficient windows will make your home a little more attractive. Number four, increased durability. In addition of being energy efficient, these windows are designed for increased durability. These windows are made of a much stronger material that are less likely to break over time. Additionally, they actually come with longer warranties, so you can be sure they will last for years. Number five, reduces maintenance costs. So having energy efficient windows means that you will actually reduce the maintenance costs. You won't need to repaint or refinish them as often, and they're less likely to develop condensation or mold problems. So they can both save you time and money. So how do you choose the right energy efficient windows for your home? One, U factor. The U factor is actually a way of measuring how well the window is insulated. So the lower the level, the better. This means it will keep the heat out in the summer and it will keep the house cool in winter. So when choosing energy efficient windows, make sure to look for those with low U factor. Number two, solar heat gain coefficient. So the solar heat gain coefficient measures how much heat from the outside is transmitted through a window. Once again, the lower the number, the less heat will transfer into your home. So when choosing for energy efficient windows, make sure to look for a low solar heat gain coefficient. Number three, visible transmittance. Visible transmittance? Transmittance? Visible transmittance measures how much light passes through a window. So the higher the visible transmittance, the more light will enter your home. So when choosing energy efficient windows, look for ones with high visible transmittance. Number four, air leakage. This is a test to basically determine how much air leaks through your window. The lower the air leak, the fewer drafts you will have in your home. So when choosing the right windows for your home, you want to look for those with low air leakage. Number five, condensation resistance. Condensation resistance is the ability of a window to prevent condensation from forming on its surface. The higher the condensation resistance, the less likely condensation will form on your windows. So when choosing a window, look for high condensation resistance rating. Now let's talk about the different types of energy efficient windows. Number one, double paned windows. This simply means that this window has two panels of glass instead of one. Now, the space between the two panes typically have air or argon gas. So this air or this gas actually acts as an insulator. And what it does, it actually prevents heat from transferring. So double pane windows are actually available in many different styles: clear, tinted, and reflective. Number two, triple glazed windows. Now this is kind of like the first one, but there are three panes as opposed to two. Now these spaces once again are filled with air or gas, which acts as an insulator. Now obviously being a triple glaze are even more efficient and effective when it comes to reducing heat transfer. And of course, it can help to keep your home even warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Number 3, low E windows. So low E windows are another type of energy efficient windows with a thin coating of low emissivity material on the surface of the glass. This coating helps to reflect heat into the room, which reduces heat loss and makes the windows more energy efficient. Low E windows are also available in different styles, including clear, tinted, and of course, reflective. Number 4, gas-filled windows. So gas-filled windows, once again, are an energy-efficient window because they are filled with a type of gas, such as argon or krypton sealed. Oh my god, this sounds like a Game of Thrones versus Superman kind of situation. Kryptonite and argon. Once again, this gas helps to insulate the windows and prevent heat transfer. These are also available in various styles, once again, clear, tinted, and reflective. Number 5, storm windows. So storm windows are typically installed over an existing window. Storm windows help improve the window's insulation and once again reduce heat loss. These are also available in various styles, including clear, tinted, and reflective. Number 6, insulated glazing units. So these type of windows tend to have 2 panes or more. Once again, these windows come in various styles, such as tinted, clear, and reflective. Number 7, laminated glass. Laminated glass is made of 2 or more layers of glass bonded together with a plastic interlayer. The interlayer helps to insulate the window and of course reduce heat loss. Number 8, tempered glass. This type of glass has been treated with heat or chemicals to actually make the glass stronger. Tempered glass is less likely to break than standard glass and of course can help improve your home's safety. Number 9, solar control glass. This type of glass helps to reflect the sunlight out of your home. Now, solar control glass can be used in double glazed and triple glazed windows and can help improve their energy efficiency. Number 10, tinted glass. This type of glass helps to reduce heat transfer and glare. This type of glass can also be used as double glazed or triple glazed. Number 11, reflective film. Reflective film is an energy efficient window film that helps to reflect heat into your home in the winter and sunlight out of your home in the summer. Reflective film can actually be applied on double glazed and triple glazed windows. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. I didn't even know that there were that many different types of windows. So I guess it's always helpful to know and understand how you can make your home more efficient and of course more energy efficient. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and if there are any other videos that you would like me to make, leave a comment below and let me know. Oh yeah, and before I go, if you would like us to inspect your roof, have a roof repair, you'd like some solar, maybe you need some new windows. More specifically, energy efficient windows. Oh, it's on the other side. Go to the description box below, or of course you can go to our website. Have a great week.